Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the Nifty 50 quoting at 17,492. Nifty Bank quoting at 38,332. 1.5% down was Nifty 50. Nifty Bank was down 1.72%. So clearly, I mean, this is packing up a case of a negative tinge on the market. SGX is pointing to a 88 points cut. So that's the perspective we are getting from the global markets, a bout of correction possibly. Nifty, as we can see, is hovering close to 17,500. The resistance being 18,000, 18,300 on the higher side, and 17,200 and 17,000 are the supports. So that's the perspective we're getting. Some bout of correction is possible further ahead. So let's see where Nifty finds its support. As far as the open interest, historical open interest futures picture is concerned, we saw some amount of long unwinding also yesterday. So that could carry on today also. So that's the possibility. Looking at the open interest picture, Nifty giving a resistance of around 18,000, supported around 17,000. Intermittent, you have a lot of put OI, so that's showing some amount of congestion there. That's the possibility. Again, moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty shut shop close to 38,330. Support zone being 38,000 and 37,500. Resistance being 38,500 and 39,000. Okay. Moving on to the Bank Nifty futures OI picture. Clearly, I mean, there is suggestive of long unwinding there too. That's what we are getting. So we are getting a set of long unwinding from Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. As far as the OI picture from options are concerned, you have 38,000 and 37,000, two major levels on the lower side. On the higher side, what we are seeing is 39,500 and 40,000 emanating as the major levels for options. Top gainers and losers: Sun TV, NAM India, PI Industries, and losers: Trent, Jindal Steel, GNFC. We saw a bunch of, in fact, all the sectors in the negative contribution. Private banks negative 75 points, oil negative 10 points, NBFC negative 36 points, IT negative 40 points, FMCG negative 11 points, and capital goods minus 14. So all in all, packing up a case with all sectors in the negative. Some bout of correction is a possibility. As far as the built-ups are concerned, capital goods, FMCG, media in the short side. There are no sectors in the long end, and auto ancillary, Bank Nifty stocks, cement showing long unwinding out there. So you have a bunch of shorts coming in, or there's a bunch of long unwinding happening. We have a stock on the sell side, Crompton. Again, 405 and 425, 420, 430 happens to be the resistance point. Supports being close to 360 and 350, 367 and 350 zone. So let's see how this pans out. On a breakdown, I think this could be considered as a sell position as such. There was shorts and then some bout of unwinding happening, long unwinding happening in this stock. As far as the OI picture is concerned, 430 happens to be resistance point, and there are not so aggressive put writing hasn't happened on this. So as I repeat that on a breakdown, you could consider some amount of selling in this counter. Axis Bank, again, Axis Bank 776 on the higher side happens to be a resistance point. 750 is the intermittent psychological resistance. On the support zone, you have 700 as a major support zone for this counter. So this is again on the sell side. Axis Bank, you're seeing some amount of long unwinding coming in out there. 740 is where it's quoting thereabouts of 740. On a breakdown of 730 thereabouts, you could see further pressure on this counter. Again, looking at the OI picture on the options front, we are seeing some amount of heavy call build-ups in 760, 780, 800 levels. Let's see how it happens on the lower side. The lower side is pretty much call writing has been more aggressive on this counter. So you have a major support zone at around 700. Securities in the ban list is Tata Chemical, and BHELZ is on the annual, possibly. That's the possible candidates. This is our summary: 17,200, 17,000, higher side 18,000, 18,300 for Nifty, 38,000, 37,500, 38,500, 39,000. Resistance points and supports. Sectoral long built up, none. Sectoral short built up, capital goods, FMGC, media. And we have already discussed the two stocks, Crompton and Axis on the sell side. Ban list is Tata Chemicals. Again, we recommend that you follow your financial advisor also, and please follow strict stop losses. Derivatives market is a market where which ought to have some discipline. So when you're trading in derivatives, please adhere to your stop losses as per your risk appetite. That's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.